Hi, it's Carolyn from Alexandria. I'm just about to frame this purple rain album. First thing I did was work out a bit of a layout. So what I've done now is covered the album cover and the slip with mylar and hinged them through with slots to the back of the purple mat that's going to be our backing. I've put the record on here now, and I've got a small clip here holding it through to the back of the mat, and just to make it pretty I've got a little purple shiny thing to make it even better. I've cut and joined the frames now and cut the glass, and I'm just about to pinwheel the spaces in. Long side. Okay, so that's all ready to go now. I'll just dust this off. Frame a quick brush out. Lovely. And here it is, finished and ready for the store wall.